Morning, welcome to Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. Before going to Tuesday prediction, I would like to review the one-day market as well as how the call group went today. Nifty ended up in the positive 11,227.55, opened around 11,140.85, low went around 11,099.85, high went around 11,239.35. Let's go to my prediction review. In our data, we know that if anything opens below this level 11,174, which is going to be an indication that the market will have a target of negative target 1 and negative target 2. It has opened below that level, but today the market was not able to reach the first target itself. Shortfall of first target is somewhere around 18 points. Market went low around 99 only. It has to reach this level, but today it was not happened, but somehow it has gone up towards the positive side. Positive target 1 got hit. Marginally short. 11,240 is the positive target 1. The market has today reached the high around almost 11,240, close in the range of 11,227. It is a little surprise for us because even though it is having chances to it, but somehow it has to fall down from that level towards to the positive, and from the positive towards to the lower positive around 11,081 as per the pre-opening, but that was not happen. We have checked why it was not happened due to we have the basic rules. We follow some basic rules. Anything opens positive, not breaking the previous closing stop loss, which is a bullish market. That basic rule applies today because market has opened around 11,140, which is in the overall average range above and volatile one, because these are all the basic rule which we follow for such a long time. Anything opens volatile one above, then the market is still having bullish. So today it was happened. And one more thing is that the frequency average is also there around 11,253. So market is trying to go towards to the frequency average level, but somehow as per the data it has to reach the high, and then after that it has to fall from that level somewhere around R2. It has to close 11,000 108.84. That level should have to be reached today, but it was not happened. So we may expect to reach tomorrow towards to the downside, because today is not able to fulfill that, because it has to touch the high is exactly matched with the data, because the positive target 1 we have 11,240. It is only shortfall of 1 point, that is fine, but it has to come down as per the pre-market opening. The par value is around 11,174, so it has to come down and touch this particular 11,081.42 and negative target of 11,988. But somehow we given two target, but today even the first target not got hit in the group. That is where we have given, because even on Friday itself, anything opens below that particular 124 points 0.5 less than, that means we have a target of negative side. But in morning we given only two targets, which it is fall down a bit on the initial stage, but somehow it is not even hit. And specifically we given today with the buying around put option 25 to 30 and target of 50 to 60. Today it was not able to work, but somehow we bought it 11,300 call option for a insurance purpose around 11 rupees, that I asked to exit every people whoever want to exit today itself, means they need to exit somewhere around 20 itself, because our target is on the downside. But still whoever holding for a week, because this particular purpose is for the weekly purpose, so we used to buy two lots. One is on the call option, one is on the put option, so both put together somewhere we have a target. Either side it will go reach some good profit. So for the high risk clients, we know that it is a full risk, but still we can hold it for a 1 week, means it might given such a good profit, because last time we bought it some put option 30 rupees, it went up around 500 points. So like that we still have, but we are knowing that this particular buying price will be having a full risk, because if you take the full risk then only you can able to enjoy the big profit, otherwise sometimes it won't. That is the thing. So I asked to keep whoever holding for a week, they need to keep. Somehow today it has went high around 49, almost 50, and we expecting to reach somewhere around 11,081, and the 5 minute chart also indicating that it has a good chance to reach, because if the resistant 2 in the CPR not got it, means it will fall down like that. But today that CPR got it and gone towards to the positive direction. And this is my personal view on 11,300. Even the high risk holding for a week till, because the future data which I'm having Wednesday, those data are indicating that the bullish may having chance to control, so that this particular call option, I asked to exit for even high risk customers, but still someone wants to take that risk and keeping, means they, and that is up to them. So this is my personal thought, because we have some kind of a plan which they need to, because high risk traders, they need to keep P one lot and C one lot, both put together. For example, 20 rupees each side, means 40 rupees is the maximum risk, which is 3,000 rupees. If you bet like that, means one will go to the extreme, some to 250, 300, 400 or 500 points, which you can able to make some huge profits. So this amount of 40 points is a full risk we are taking for a week time. So towards to that concern, some high risk traders may not given, uh, but sometimes I will give my personal thought. If I was a trader, I would like to book somewhere even 11 rupees to 20 rupees or 21, and then if it is 11 rupees to 40, means I'll book, because it is almost more than 90%, and it is almost more than 300, almost close to 250, 300%. So the reason behind that, I am a kind of a small trader, and after that we got a high matching, which is indicated a downfall is possible because of 11,212. It was almost more than 1.5 hour. This particular high is not able to break. It is trying to reach, but somehow it is falling down from that level towards to downside 40 points, 11,185 somewhere it has traded. But after breaking that particular level, this is the level which it is not able to break. After that particular, it is quite some time, then only it has started to move towards to that particular level, and that 11,239 kept high. So our data today, it was kind of a messy, because it was not work today. This particular 11,000 is intact, but still it is not able to reach, because the time limit is also gone after such a. This is 27th, 29th data, tomorrow's data I have given. After market closing, we need to edit that, then you will get the numbers, because the percentage will not going to change. And high, as I told, high got matched, and low also got matched, but the difference of 18, 19 points is the difference. And this is for the Tuesday's par value. We have around 5 points, but we need to check out how it is going to be, because Monday it was not able to go down towards to the lower side. So we need to watch out specifically on uh, Tuesday, because Tuesday might have a chances to fall down. Tuesday data is showing kind of a volatile data, positive 8 is to 7, and average 2 is to 1. and weightage is on the downside 2.18 versus 2.77, and absolute frequency 1:4, which is evenly, it is 50% on the positive side and 50% on the negative side. But one key indications which we have is both average and the ratio having difference of 1 point, which means after uptrend it has a chances to fall. So which indicates that certain high, if it is matching, then the market will started to fall down towards the negative. That is what it is indicating. So all we need to watch out is that where the pre-market opening is going to be. So if example, if the market is opens volatile above, as we know, bullish is intact with the stop loss of previous closing stop loss and or the overall average stop loss. These two stop loss we can maintain. So the difference of points is very less, so we can keep the stop loss in the previous closing. 11,217.55 is the stop loss for the bullish market. If anything opens volatile above 50 points, if anything opens below volatile level 1 and 2, which indicates the volatile market, it might have chances to go flattish kind of market for quite some time. After that, which side it is going to break, according to that the bullish and bearish may have a control. So if the market is open in the flat range, then we need to watch out these two ranges, whether which side it is going to cut, so that may indicate the further trend. Once if it is breaking the bearish open target level, then it has a chance to go extremely bearish. Likewise the same, if it is breaking the bullish open target level 147, then it has a chance to go extremely bullish. So the bearish side is having lesser points to break, so we need to watch out bearish tomorrow. I mean, because Monday is also we didn't reach the target, so we need to watch out bearish quite. The negative target which having the bearish control around 53, that is what the thing is. So we need to watch out that 11,173 range. But as per the data, it is volatile market. So volatile market means once again positive target 1 and negative target 1. We can see 11,300 to 11,173 tomorrow trading sessions. If it is breaking either side, the positive target 1 or negative target 1, which side is breaking, then it will go to the next target of negative target 2 and positive target 2. So we need to watch out those positive target 1 and negative target 1. So which side is it is going to break. As of now, it is showing that volatile market is possible, but still this volatile 2, which is having lesser point comparing with the volatile 1, 50 and 14. So if it is breaking that negative side, it has a chance to go little bearish on Tuesday. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Tuesday. Thank you.